Is your pet insurance a total ripoff? It just might be.
We all get pet insurance thinking we're doing the best for our furry family members, right? We want to be prepared for any emergency without worrying about the cost. But what if I told you that a few sneaky clauses hidden in the fine print could make your policy almost worthless when you need it most?
Today, we read pulling back the curtain on 3 of these financial traps that could leave you with a massive vet bill and a policy that won't pay.
Stick around, because knowing this could save you thousands. First up, let's talk about something called a bilateral exclusion. This one is incredibly tricky. Imagine your dog injures his right knee. Your insurance covers the surgery and everything seems fine. A year later, his left knee has the exact same problem, a common issue in many breeds. You'd think your insurance would cover it again, right? Wrong. A bilateral exclusion clause means that if a condition affects one side of the body, the matching body part on the other side is automatically excluded from future coverage.
This applies to so many common issues: hips, knees, eyes, ears.
The insurance company argues it's a pre-existing condition waiting to happen. For you, it means you're paying for a policy that will only help you half the time for some of the most predictable and expensive health problems. It's a huge blind spot in many plans, so you absolutely need to check if your policy has this exclusion. Next on our list is the reasonable and customary cap. This sounds fair on the surface, doesn't it? The insurance company will only pay what they consider a reasonable and customary charge for a procedure in your area. But here's the catch. Who decides what's reasonable? They do. Their database of costs might be outdated or not reflect the prices at high-end emergency or specialist clinics, the very places you're likely to be when your pet is in serious trouble. So, let's say your vet charges $3,000 for a critical surgery, a standard price at their state-of-the-art facility.
But your insurance company's reasonable and customary limit for that procedure is only $1,500.
Even if your policy says it covers 90%, they will only apply that 90% to their $1,500 limit, not your actual $3,000 bill. You're left paying the huge difference out of pocket, completely defeating the purpose of having insurance for a major emergency. This is one of the most common ways people get blindsided by a massive, unexpected bill. Finally, let's sink our teeth into dental coverage. This is a big one because dental disease is so common in pets, and treatment can be incredibly expensive.
Many policies will proudly advertise that they offer dental coverage, but read the fine print, and you'll often find a strict maintenance requirement.
This clause might state that for your dental coverage to be valid, you must have your pet undergo a professional dental cleaning under anesthesia every single year at your own expense. These cleanings can cost hundreds, sometimes over $1,000, depending on your pet and your vet. If you skip just one of these annual cleanings, and your pet later needs a tooth extracted or develops gum disease, the insurance company can deny your claim entirely. They'll argue that you failed to perform the required preventative care.
So, you were essentially forced to pay for an expensive procedure every year just to keep the possibility of coverage alive.
It turns your coverage into a very expensive maintenance plan you might not have signed up for. So what's the takeaway here? Pet insurance can be a lifesaver, but only if you have the right policy. Before you sign up or renew, you have to become a detective.
Get a copy of the full policy document, not just the marketing brochure, and use the search function.
Look for the words bilateral, reasonable and customary, and dental maintenance. Understand exactly what they mean for your coverage. Don't be afraid to call the company and ask for clarification in writing.
A good insurance policy will protect you from financial ruin, but a bad one will just drain your bank account with monthly premiums while giving you a false sense of security.
Do your homework, read every word, and make sure the plan you choose truly has your back when you and your pet need it most.
Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to be the best pet parent you can be.
See you in the next video.